Hey everyone, today I'm sharing a what's in my makeup travel bag for a 10-day Caribbean cruise. This is the makeup bag that I will be carrying with me on the plane and onto the ship. I wish it was real, but I actually found this on Amazon and I just really like the print. It has a nice red interior and a couple of pockets. I'm very much a minimalist packer. I'm going on this vacation to relax, so I'm not going to be fussing too much with makeup, but I am going to show you the essentials that I'm bringing. I've actually been loving this L'Oreal Magic Skin Beautifier BB cream. I wear it in the shade Light, but I actually just picked up the other day one for Redness. So I'll be trying that out on my trip. The reason why I like this, I don't want a heavy foundation because it's going to be very hot. It's at least 85 Fahrenheit. So this just interacts with your skin and it just brings a nice tinted, glowy look to my skin. So it's just going to hide any imperfections in the skin and just make my skin tone look even. To set everything, I bought this teeny tiny powder from Tilbury. I just thought that it was super cute because it's a perfect size for traveling, but even every day just to pop into your purse. So that's the Tilbury mini size powder. And for my face, I'm bringing one of my favorite bronzers. This is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores bronzer. I love this bronzer because it works great on my oily, mature skin. It actually blurs out my pores. It doesn't accentuate them at all. And because I have oily skin and it's going to be hot and humid where I'm going, I really think that this is going to work well and it should stay on for as long as I need it to. I don't have a lot of blushes in my collection, but the ones that I do have, I really do love. And again, this is another great product by IT Cosmetics. It's their Bye Bye Pores blush. This shade is Naturally Pretty. This is actually a brand new one I'm just taking on my trip, but it's just a really nice light pink. And I think it's gonna go perfect with all of my outfits and that nice bronzy summery makeup look that I'll be creating. I forgot to mention at the beginning, I love a good tinted sunscreen. This is what I plan on wearing during the day. It's by Elta MD. It is their tinted moisturizer and it has sunscreen in it. You can see it has a nice tint to it, and as I apply it to my skin, it just kind of gives a nice warm bronzy glow. And again, blurs out any imperfections. I've been wearing the Elta MD moisturizer with SPF for a couple years now. Love it. This is the first time wearing the tinted. It does a really, really great job at protecting my skin from the sun as long as I keep reapplying during the day. Never rely on the sunscreen in your makeup for your sun protection. You should always wear a separate sunscreen. Next up is eyebrows. I'm bringing my favorite eyebrow pencil by IT Cosmetics. It has the lead on one end, spoolie on the other, so that's great. I don't have to bring a spoolie. I wear it in the shade Universal Taupe. I love this pencil because it works on pressure. It's available in 4 different shades. If you want darker brows, you press harder, and as you get towards the tail, if you want lighter brows, you just use light, gentle strokes, and then it's going to get blonder or lighter looking. If I'm not feeling like I want to fuss putting my eyebrows on, I'm also taking the IT Cosmetics Brow Power Filler. It is a tinted brow gel. I have it in both Universal Blonde and Taupe. I'm just using this up. I won't be repurchasing it. I don't like the applicator. I just find that it's too big for my sparse little eyebrows. But if I just want, a quick, throw on some quick eyebrows, I usually just use a brow gel. For eyeliner, along the waterline, I'm taking this new to me L'Oreal Paris Eyeliner Signature, and this is in brown. I just bought this and I really do like it. It's creamy. It's almost as creamy as a Tilbury eyeliner that I love. So I'm gonna try this out and I'll be sure to be using this and get ready with me whenever I return and tell you how well it held up. For eyeshadow, I'm keeping it simple. I'm taking 2 eyeshadow sticks. This one is by Tilbury. It's her Color Chameleon Pillow Talk. I need to sharpen it, so I'll be taking my Tilbury sharpener, but this is such a pretty eyeshadow. And the other one that I have been using nonstop is by Laura Mercier. The packaging alone is gorgeous. And that's what it looks like. It's a stick. It's just a barely there pink. I'm taking the sticks because then I don't have to fuss with palettes or worry about them getting broken. And all I really need is I can just use my pinky just to help press this into my eyelids. To finish off my eye look, I'm using the Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes Mascara by Charlotte Tilbury. It is unbelievable what this mascara does for my barely there, thin, sparse, fair eyelashes. It really makes me look like I'm wearing false ones. I love it. The brush is plastic. It's a hard plastic. Got to be careful I don't poke myself in the eye because I do have small eyes, but this is how I get those beautiful lashes. So I really do recommend this mascara. If you want to try it out, I know they have a mini size and they have the full size as well. Okay, let's talk about lips. I'm taking one lip liner. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat, which I really need to sharpen, I guess, but I'll wait and do that once I get there. I love it because it's just a nice neutral. It's Pillow Talk. And then because I am such a lip addict, I'm bringing quite a few lip products. I love these Pillow Lips. They're a solid serum lipstick from IT Cosmetics. This one is in the shade Marvelous. Just a really light, pretty pink. And it lasts average time. It doesn't last a long time, but it, you know, it's so easy. Carry it in your purse or beach bag and, you know, just put it on your lips. Always top everything off with a lip gloss. I'm taking this one by IT. It is their Vitality Lip Flush. I'm not sure what the color is, but it just has a nice doe foot applicator. Oh, it's a nice kind of hot pink, so I'll be wearing that by the pool. And I'm also bringing this new one that I just discovered by Milani, and I'm really enjoying it. It's shade Luminoso. It's just a really kind of barely there pink. You can see the difference between the IT Cosmetics on this side and the Milani is that one. And because I do love lip products, I'm bringing a Laneige Lip Glowy Balm. I'll carry this in my beach bag and just keep reapplying it. I also want to show you something that I just bought and I'm really enjoying, and I want to mention it because it's so important to also put sunscreen on your lips. You don't want to get lip cancer. So I found this by Taizo. It just is a tinted lip balm and it just gives like a nice bronzy, barely there look. It has an SPF of 45, so this is gonna live in my beach bag. So when I'm either by the pool on the ship or on the beach when we're in port, I'll keep reapplying this throughout the day because it's so important to remember your lips. In the evening when I take my shower, I'm going to use this MAC lip scrub every night. It's just a nice sugar scrub, and it's just gonna slough off any dead skin cells that may be on my lips. So every night I'll be using this scrub. It's really nice. And as far as makeup brushes and tools, I'm going really light. I'm taking this powder brush by Real Techniques, taking my Angie Hot and Flashy angled blush brush. I'm taking my MAC 239. It's just a flat eyeshadow brush, just in case I want to use that to touch up my eyeshadow. I always take the Shiseido facial cottons, and what I do is I use these for my toner, but I also use them for makeup remover. I just take one cotton and I split it into when I use it for my toner. So I really only use one cotton a day for my toner. And I find if I just use like one cotton by itself, I just use too much product. Half of the cotton has held up well for me. Gonna be bringing some eye drops because my eyes get dry and I will be wearing my contact lenses. I'm just taking this sample size from IT Cosmetics, and a little bit of this goes a long way, and this is really a great makeup remover. For body lotion, they do give you some on the ship, but I'm gonna take along these nice sample size from the Josie Moran whipped argan oil that I like, and I also have 2 little L'Occitane creams because my skin is so dry in the winter, and I know I'll be getting lots of sun and wind, so my skin will be dry there as well. And then I always save these little sample things. I can use this to clean my makeup brushes if I use them. I plan on indulging in using some eye masks. So while I'm relaxing on my balcony, I could just pop these on and enjoy masking. I have this handy little Q-tip container that I got a few years ago. It's great for travel. So what you do is you just buy the big Q-tips and then refill it. And that is that. And I'll be putting my liquids that you have to take out when you go through TSA. They'll all be going in this clear plastic. So some of the liquids that I showed you in my makeup bag will actually go in this, but I'll still be carrying it on the plane. So this is my makeup bag. That's what it looks like. And this will be going in my carry-on for on the plane and the day we get on the ship. And once we get all settled, I'll be showing you how I organize my cruise cabin. So make sure you subscribe and follow me for more cruise videos. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.